go for efficient, as environmentally friendly nickel mining at high volume. If Tesla will give you a giant contract for a long period of time, if you mine nickel efficiently and in an environmentally sensitive way.
Elon Musk's call for responsible mining made waves in the media. Many were not aware of the need for responsible nickel mining and the impact that it has on the environment. When it comes to buying a Tesla, there is quite a bit of background processing that goes into the vehicle before it reaches the consumer. The biggest selling point of electric vehicles is that they help the environment. However, it becomes apparent that mining such commodities, such as nickel, is the farthest thing from environmentally friendly. Pollution, river dumping, and excessive greenhouse gases are often generated from irresponsible mining practices. The answer could be introducing the new and innovative technology of blockchain to the old and tired industry of metal mining. Distributed ledger technology, specifically blockchain, is a technology that uses a digital ledger to keep a digital, tamper-proof record of information. Blockchain is also distributed, meaning zero downtime. Blockchain keeps things honest, so by default it acts as our eyes and ears to ensure responsible mining takes place. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the concept of a network of physical devices connected to each other through the Internet. These can be sensors, drones, or even smartphones. Anything that connects to other devices over the Internet can be IoT. IoT devices can use blockchain to log sensor information, creating a tamper-proof record. The combination of technologies can independently audit a mining operation. As part of the umbrella of IoT, drones can even be used to remotely monitor and audit the mining sites to ensure compliance. IoDLT has pioneered the combination of both IoT and blockchain to create solutions to industry-wide problems, such as in the case of ensuring responsible mining. With Symbol from NEM, an unchangeable record of all events on the mine site can be gathered into one central, secure place. Symbol has a number of pre-made features that allow for this to be a reality at an affordable cost. With Symbol, all stakeholders, including governmental agencies, miners on the ground, to the end consumer can have varying access to information of every stage of the mining process, providing full transparency. In order to monitor the mining site, IoT devices can record environmental parameters. Axon, IoDLT's multi-purpose IoT device, can monitor air, water, and soil quality to ensure proper regulatory thresholds are met via the ANTS protocol. ANTS is IoDLT's data aggregation protocol. Axon uses ANTS to record data to Symbol. With Axon and ANTS, Sensor can record data to the blockchain for 24/7, low-cost monitoring of the mining site. As mentioned before, drones can also monitor the mining site, which through ANTS is aggregated and available for view via Symbol. The action of adding this storage device adds a new dimension to the usage of DLT, with real, tangible footage being available for review at all times. The immutability and distribution of the ledger ensures the data is kept safe and is easily verifiable. Symbol from NEM is the glue that holds the rest of the solution together, with ANTS and Axon IoT providing further utility. These technologies hugely help in retaining auditability and transparency in this sensitive and crucial industry. Here are a few words and thoughts from industry leaders who have insight in both the energy and distributed ledger industry.
The steady replacement of diesel and petrol cars worldwide with electrical vehicles, I think, is inevitable and has the potential to be groundbreaking in terms of environmental impact. However, it does rightly bring into question the scrutiny and sourcing of components and tracing of supply chains, not least in nickel mining, which is used in the batteries. Many manufacturers, including Tesla, by Elon's own admission, still do not know exactly where the nickel in its batteries actually comes from. As EVs cross over to the mainstream, it's critical that nickel sourcing and distribution can meet necessary ethical standards. That's where Symbol blockchain can come in. The ability of Symbol to rapidly deploy, its ease of use, and its robustness allows for secure and verifiable registration and tracking of ore from mines throughout the supply chain to the ultimate vehicle that it ends up in. Seamlessly working with ANTS and Axon from IoDLT, then creates additional utility through the provision of local environmental data, which can be stored and shared also on the Symbol blockchain to encourage responsible mining and accurately track the origin of mined nickel and the proportion that is then recycled at end of life. This supports the environmental claims of EV manufacturers and ensures compliance with regulations and providing confidence to end consumers who can see the data, verify the data, and don't have to trust anyone as to where it's come from.
Nickel mining and mining in general for various materials will only become more relevant, especially as EVs become more prominent in society. You can't just use blockchain alone to solve these problems, however. In order to truly make it a solution that will guarantee both efficient and sustainable mining, you have to have the IoT aspect, which is what Axon provides. Couple Axon's hardware with the ANS protocol so it can talk to the blockchain, and you kind of have an all-in-one solution to autonomously watch over mines and provide unbiased, correct data that can be verified later by a regulatory body or even a consumer. And now, I call on Elon Musk to contact us on how blockchain and our solution in particular can greatly improve the ethical, efficiency, and sustainability aspects of Tesla's supply chain. Not only to improve the supply chain itself, but also to provide a better, a more sustainable future for the mining industry.